Hey students, it's Mr. Carlson. So happy to be here again. Hope you had a great spring break. I'm sure it was a little different than you expected. I know it was for me and my family. But so happy to have this opportunity to continue teaching and for you to continue learning. And we're going to get through this. It's going to be great. So we're going to make the most out of it. I wanted to just kind of give you a little bit of an introduction of what the next 4 weeks is going to look like. So this is certainly for parents and students. Um, I'm new at this. I know you are also new at this. So we'll just kind of work through it. I wanted to talk about the routine. Starting tomorrow by 8 a.m. on Google Classroom will be posted an assignment with some instructions. Some days there might be a video and an assignment. Some days it might be just an assignment that's posted. Some days it might be just a video with some sort of activity for you to do. I'm kind of working through how we're going to continue our algebra unit and what that'll look like without giving you too much work, but also challenging you enough to make progress in this unit. Everything is going to be done on Google Classroom. So you need to be checking Google Classroom every single morning. For your assignment, and then for us to communicate together, there'll usually be a video on there, and I'll show you how to work out the work and explain what I want you to do. But ultimately, you're going to need to do the work on your own. I will have office hours during this time, and what that means is I will just be ready to answer questions right away. That will be from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day, and from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day. I will be checking my email throughout the entire day, so if you as a student or you as a parent have a question, please don't hesitate to shoot me a quick email and I will get back to you. But this is crazy times and I look forward to doing this together. Email is going to be the way we contact each other, so please email. This is my email address, casey.carlson@lps53.org. Please take a second to jot that down if you don't have that already. But this is the way that we'll communicate with each other, questions, concerns. Parents, if I do send you an email, it's really important that you get back with me if you can, as quickly as you can, just so we can make sure that our students aren't falling behind. I look forward to this. Happy to see you. There'll be many more videos to come, and let's get it done.